I'm about to get a lot of booty on this cruise right now. Let's go.
I don't know why.
Good morning.
I don't know what question.
It's vlog day.
That's something you should do.
What's up, y'all? It's vlog day.
Yo, yo, yo.
What up, man?
We got. Let's go. We got the whole fam. We got the whole fam. Today is the day.
It says Nicole got us all some shirts. Same day within an hour. We're getting our family shirts together for our cruise. Show grandma.
I said I'd pay, so I ain't doing nothing else. I said I'd pay.
Y'all gonna know who we are.
I'm about to get a lot of booty on this cruise right now. Let's go.
Alright, y'all. So we are in the car. We are headed to the cruise ship to get checked in. It's 12:58. We left maybe almost an hour ago. It takes us like almost an hour to get there. Look at my baby. Y'all, she is knocked out. But anyways, I'm super excited about the cruise. Very excited about the cruise. Babe, are you excited?
Oh yeah. First time.
Yeah, we about to turn up. This is his first cruise, y'all. We about to turn up. They just don't know. It's in total it is 22 of us, I think. My uncle them could not make it. One set of my uncle family them couldn't make it. But altogether it is 22 of us. It was originally 25 and now it's 22, but it's a lot of us going on this cruise. And I cannot wait because like I'm literally gonna come back home with no stomach. That's how fun my family is. So I will see you guys once we get to checking into the cruise. I'm gonna show you guys everything about this cruise in case you ever guys want to take a cruise in the future. I'm just gonna show you everything every step of the way. So tune in, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
All it on!
Yeah. 2620 for this one.
This one's 2620.
And what that is?
This one is 6461.
Okay. 6461.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Ready? Okay. Y'all, hubby had to pee. Look. Yeah, look, he had to pee.
It's like a horse right now.
It feel good down the back.
Sure does.
I can't show y'all too much. Man, don't get it on the car.
Nice. I ain't like you.
Whatever, boy. Look, y'all, look at up here. Y'all see right there? Look. You feel better though, babe?
Sure do.
You jiggling it. He had to help him do it while the girls asleep. He's been holding his pee. We had an hour drive. Feel better?
Yep.
Hand sanitizer?
Okay, got it all.
You gotta do what you gotta do. That's the rain. Sorry y'all, there's a little spot on my camera from the rain. But we are here. Mama them somewhere back there. Huh? Hey Brianna. Hey Chloe. Hey Grandma. Sorry, then we got test results for the vaccination card. Vaccination on the camera. Space Force. So is that what they're calling the Air Force now? No.
No, it's completely separate now.
He was Air Force, but he transformed over to Space Force.
Tell her that she's needed at the counter.
So Space Force used to be is a major command in the Air Force called Space Command.
Yeah.
So they took the Air Force Space Command and turned it into its own military branch.
He's like one of the first people to be in Space Force.
Yeah, I know. That's the first time I've
Yeah.
heard it mentioned.
So you go down in history.
Yeah.
Where are you based? We're in California.
Let me see.
What part?
Yeah.
LA. We're in LA.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Nope, not gonna say I am.
Yeah, right.
So she done with this one?
Yeah.
Right now she's just checking our passport and stuff, guys. Thank you. No, we're on the boat. Hello. Turn the camera around here. It's hard because I'm trying to do this all by myself. So let me turn the camera around. Hello.
Have a drink package, the building package.
Oh, drink package.
You want the drink package, babe?
We need to go to.
Oh, we gonna go to the room first?
Nicole, I'm on the boat, right?
You're on
Yeah,
Okay.
we're on the boat. Nah, you're on deck 6. Hold on. How do we get in?
I'm on deck 6. Grandma can go there.
It's on our door.
Yeah, it's on our door
On the
already.
door?
Yeah.
Grandma goes with me. She's on deck 6.
Y'all on deck 6? Okay, her room is 6691.
6691. Okay.
Gotta fix that.
Okay. Where's Chloe and Eddie? Oh, Eddie's still recording. She's trying to do a transition.
I'm past
Hey, Grandma made it to her room.
Yeah.
Ooh. Little tour.
Whoa.
This is nice.
Shows you will find every.
All right, y'all. Now we are about to go find our room. Say hey to my baby girl. It's her birthday weekend, so we're on a boat, on a cruise. So let's see, 6, 7, 10. We're gonna go this way. Turn my camera over here, you guys, so you guys can see. All right. Okay. Alright. So y'all, we have our card here to open the door. Hubby's gonna open it right here. This is our room. It's somebody. Ah, we made it!
Hold on.
400 guests. You are yet to complete the safety briefing. This briefing is mandatory
Yeah.
compliance with international law. We cannot allow anyone who has not yet completed this safety briefing to sail with us today.
This is some of the most movement I've thought about.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We kindly request the following guest, Mr. Alberto Torres of deck number 7. Please proceed to the guest services desk.
All right, y'all.
5. Thank you.
We're all eating right now. Look at baby. Me and my brother. What's good? I think I'm gonna get some blueberry cheesecake. What did you get? Oh, you said coconut? What you get? Strawberry cheesecake? Okay. Get me a strawberry. I'm gonna give me blueberry cheesecake. Is this a? I gotta go this way? Oh.
I'm guessing so.
Well, she has her hand already. That's why I didn't think. It's the line? Okay. Okay. So y'all, so far so good on the boat. I think maybe a couple of us are feeling sick, but I'm fine. The boat's a little bit rocky because the weather was a little bit bad when we left. I ain't gonna say bad. I would say it was just raining when we left. So once we get past like the rain and the storm and stuff, we'll be good. Excuse me.
I just want to try a coconut cookie.
Coconut cookie? Okay. So y'all, my brother got a coconut cookie.
It's alright.
How it tastes?
Okay. Actually, the flavor's kicking in now, so it's probably like a 6.
Oh, 6? Ain't that bad. Alright, y'all, I got a blueberry, I don't know if you guys see it, blueberry cheesecake. And I'm gonna try it for you guys. Alright, y'all. Blueberry cheesecake.
That's not true.
You didn't get
I mean, I think it's good though.
That's good. Go try it.
coconut cookie.
Go try it. It's really good.
You don't like coconut?
Look, I can just grab my mama. Y'all see how small she is? Look. Look. Look how small she is. I can just grab her. Matt, how yours taste?
That's right.
Yeah, what is that?
Like, yeah, like fried or something like
Beef empanada, yeah. Beef patty.
that. Are you gonna try it? I can cut you in half and bite off of it.
Get it, oh, get it, mama, go. Get it, oh. Uh-oh, they starting to break it down for us already, kid. You having fun? Come on, boo-boo. Look at my baby, y'all. Brianna. You ready to get off?
That you really leave me. I know you're wrong. I'm not that strong. Let me go. And teacher, there are things that I still have to learn. I know one thing
Alright, y'all. This is day 1 of the cruise ship. Everybody say good night.
Good night.
We're going to sleep. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's adventure, day 2.
Good night. Good night, Mommy.
Say good night.
Good night.